Right, so in the previous video we have added this rate limitation features for our backend API, and now let's add more security headers by using another node package called helmet. So this helmet package is quite popular in Express backend development, and there is a complete documentation available in the npm.js, so you can refer more about this package, but basically it's about enforcing sort of security headers in your HTTP header segments, right? So you know that in HTTP protocol you are attaching sort of headers to specify the meta information of your payload, right? So the similar fashion you can enforce security concerns or security appliances to your payloads by using these HTTP headers. So helmet is a package that automatically handle all of this stuff, but a lot of configurations are there. So based on your user requirement, you can tweak these values, right? But implementing it quite simple. All you have to do is require the package and construct your app and pass it as a use package to your application, right? So I think we can go our application, and let me comment this as our first security practice, which is rate limiting, and let's create, or maybe we have to first install the package called helmet, and then we can import that out like this, and we can use it at anywhere actually. So usually it's better to use it in the root, so maybe over here. So let's say second is the setting HTTP security headers. So app.use, and let's say helmet, right? So now if you look at your headers, it consists these sort of headers, but if I invoke it again, now you can see that it contains more security headers that start with maybe cross origin, xDNS, xframe options, xdownload options, xcontent types options, things like that. So all of these stuffs are automatically attached by the helmet package, and these are the default configurations for any generic API call. But as I mentioned before, depends on your user requirement, you can change these values, right? And so it's quite simple. That's how we can set up additional HTTP security headers in your backend API. And thank you.